when it comes to scalping, really the one I want to teach you guys today is the Keltner channels. I don't know if you guys heard me say this before, but look, Keltner channels, I learned this from CryptoFace back when I first started trading, and I still use it today. And this still helps me very much. And so it only works on Bitcoin, and it only works on the 15-minute time frame. I don't use Keltner channels for anything else. I don't use it on other altcoins. I remember I had somebody like scream at me like, oh my gosh, the Keltner channel on the 4-hour, it's piercing. That doesn't mean anything to me. Okay, so you can see in this example here, every time it pierces to the downside, and I also use 𝗖𝗔𝗵𝗿𝗄 for this as well. But you can see here, 𝗖𝗔𝗵𝗿𝗄, it shows you kind of when you get that first green candle, that's almost like confirmation that there's a lot more green to be had until it pierces to the top side, right? And then we came down here, came back inside the blue. So the Keltner channels is this blue line. It looks like Bollinger Bands. I've never used Bollinger Bands before, but I've used the Keltner channels. So every time it pierces on the 15-minute time frame, it pierces the top or the bottom. There's always like a little 1% move or 2%, especially when Bitcoin's consolidating and going sideways. This is great for scalping. It's not so great when Bitcoin's like very volatile and is doing these crazy ass moves, like 3 or 4% moves to the upside. But you can see here when it pierced the downside, we had this big move to the upside, right? It pierced the top side, moved to the downside, pierced the bottom side, moved to the upside, right? So on and so forth. It doesn't always work, but it's a good kind of compass for whenever you're going to take a scalp short or a scalp long.